Hey everyone, welcome to Lucky Tech Life, where we help equip people to learn and use their device in everyday life. And in this video, I want to teach you how to delete text messages off of your Samsung or Android phone. A lot of people don't delete text messages ever. I've seen messages that are like 2 years old, 1 year old, and they have 10,000, 20,000, even like 50,000 text messages before. And it's crazy to think that a lot of text messages, to be honest with you, is taking space on your phone. And not many people know that when you have that much space and you have a certain amount of energy that runs the phone, it's using a lot of that energy to load up all those applications on your phone as well too. So keep in mind that it will bog down your phone, a fraction of it. But still, a small fraction on a full memory phone will take up a lot and you will be very, very upset. And so let's get right into it and how to delete text messages off of your device. But make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell button before we get started. The thing that you have to do first is you have to go into your text messages here. So if you go into text messages, you'll see a lot of text messages on your phone, right? And so how to delete all of them is you have to go into the little 3-dot icon here. And then if you find delete, it gives the option to delete all. And it will highlight all. Or let's say if you wanted to delete one, it's like this one here, and you hit delete, or let's say this one here, that one here, hit delete, it will delete the text message. And when you're all done and set, hit the home button and you're back to your normal screen. But that's it. That's as easy as that and how to delete text messages. Make sure that you have text messages that you don't use or don't contact anymore, and it doesn't bog down your phone when you relieve some space. But if you like this video, or if you have anybody that in mind that would like to learn more about these kind of videos, make sure to hit the like button and hit the share button, and that way you are helping out this community. Hit that subscribe button down below so that way you're not missing out on any new videos. And if you haven't hit that bell button already, please do so you're not missing out on any weekly videos that come out every week. But until next time, I will see you in the next video. Peace.